name is Amanda and I'm going to be unboxing your May Teacher Care Crate with you today. So let's dive right in. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you're going to open it up and you're going to be greeted by your info card. And this info card is fantastic because May's box is a collab and it's called the Do Not Disturb Self-Care in Progress collab with the Holly Murray Doodles. And so all her creative and colorful digital prints have been brought to life in this box, but you can also now find them on freshly printed teacher shirts on the website, so definitely check that out. What you're going to find in your print is all the details of what's inside the box, plus your digital downloads. And there are some fun ones that we'll go through at the end of the video for you to print for your May classroom. So let's dive in. The first thing that you're going to find is your art print of the month. And this one says, just do your best, you can't control the rest. Love the colors, but I also love that you could write a special note to someone and also gift this. Otherwise, hang it in your classroom. The next thing that you're going to find is some fun self-care for your beauty tools. You're going to find this super soft makeup pad remover. Plus, you're going to get these really cool wrist cuffs, which are perfect for when you're washing your face and the water doesn't drip down your arms. You can put these on, so it's amazing. Plus, you're going to get the matching spa headband, which is perfect for when you're putting on your face mask this month, and you're going to get that Glow Baby Glow brightening and soothing mask here. So perfect for some self-care this month. The next thing that you're going to find that goes perfectly with the box is this special self-care note card set. And you're going to find a variety of fun self-care tips. You could gift them to someone by writing a special note, but you're going to find some really good ones in here. And so good vibes only, be kind to your mind, all kinds of fun reminders to get you going through your last month of school. You're also going to find a confidential stamp, which is perfect for when you're grading or when you need things that are for your eyes only. So a very fun stamp for you here. And the fun thing that you're going to find are some low lighters. Love the colors, teacher approved, non-toxic low lighters. So perfect for your classroom and for you to write special notes to your students for the last month of school. Love the box, but you're also going to find some fun printables, which are a part of your digital downloads this month. If you are a teacher who loves to decorate, you're going to find some last day of school pennants that you can print. You're going to also find some testing in progress doorknobs and some self-care things there. A self-care checklist, which is also available in a smaller print for you and your teammates if you guys want to do your daily check-in as you count down to the end of the year. And of course, you're going to find your May monthly and weekly calendars. So available for you to print along with all the fun goodies that you're going to find in May this month. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join me next month as I unbox June's fun box. Okay? Bye.